So using this clamp in a different project, I have noticed some problems with the alignment because it didn't fit, so I investigated, and it turns out that this is an old assembly and it has a flexible, it was supposed to be used to flexible, but obviously it's misplaced, so there are problems. So I have just been looking what's wrong, and I have found this super solve, another super solve from the inventor solver. So as you can see here, in a flexible positional representation of this assembly here, there are constraints that are suppressed currently and these constraints, of course, are related to components, which also have set of constraints that connect them together. And now what I will be doing, I will be unsuppressing those constraints to show you how unstable the solver is. So this is the flash that involves origin plane of the assembly and origin plane of one of the parts. So unsuppress. As you can see here, the part was placed according to the constraint. Now the other one. So this is the constraint that constrains the bolt and the origin plane. So also fine. Let's see. If we examine, we see that this constraint is followed. Now this one involves shifting in this direction. So unsuppress. And the last one. And now the magic starts. So this should bring this plane to the origin plane of the assembly, so to align the axis of this clamp with a origin of the assembly. And now look, pay attention. Ta-da! So inventor solved the assembly, so it now looks like that, and clearly these elements are not where they're supposed to be. So this one is not, this one is not, this one and this one and this one, all of those elements, actually no, this one is okay, but this one and this one are not placed according to the to this constraint, which now indicates as is indicated as being used, but clearly when you see those planes, I cannot move my mouse unfortunately, so maybe, oh yeah, so now it's inventor says this flash is active, but clearly this is not, and also the alignment of the assembly is well far from what you should expect. So yeah, super solve.